In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and use delete key to delete either characters or even letters and numbers on a word that you have written or on a sentence on your computer. So I have here a document and I like to go ahead and delete everything here, or just delete some few lines or some few letters. To do so, it is quite simple. You can use your computer keyboard or laptop keyboard to achieve this. Now, if you check on your computer keyboard, you can see we have this key called delete. This is a short form of delete. However, this cannot help you to delete a single character or the whole word unless you highlight it. So if you go ahead and tap on this, you can see it will not delete anything. But if I want to delete everything, that's when I can now use either this and it will delete everything that was written. However, I like just to go ahead and use the backspace key to delete character by character. So if I just want to delete maybe one word or one letter, I don't need to use that. Instead, I'll use this key. If you check on your computer or on your laptop, it is written backspace, or sometimes it will have an X sign, as you can see here. So if you go ahead and tap on this key, you can see each and every time I tap, it will delete one character and it will be doing it from right to left. So you can do so until you get to the position or to the place where you are okay. Or if you want to delete everything, you can just delete up to the end. So that's how you can delete characters or words on your document using your keyboard on your computer or laptop. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.